Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be painting our block black. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe, help grow the channel. If you're new, thank you. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do today on both sides. So I'm just going to scrape it, spray it, clean it, just get it as nice as possible. I did a little bit of cleaning yesterday, so it's a little smoother. Just some rust on it, so I got some spray for that. And then I want to get this the oil pump off as well. So, and I'm hoping this week we'll should be able to get the oil pan back on. I need to tap into it for our turbo and our rear main seal as well. So we'll try to get that on this week, and we should be able to order our 2JZ GT fuel, oil pump, and then we can order our ARP head studs and our head gasket while we wait for the block, the cylinder head. So yep, I'm gonna set you guys up. We'll get cleaning, we'll get spraying, get stuff done. So yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, as you can tell, we got the oil pump off. We got a lot done, so just gotta clean this tomorrow, and then when we get our oil pan and everything with our new oil pump, we'll slap it on. So this is looking good. We got the block front of it. I cleaned it as possible. It's pretty smooth. That's kind of the goal you want, is to get as smooth as possible. Got all the dirt off the pistons and also clean the walls. Pretty nice. Feels good. Painted. It's kind of getting dark, but painted the block. I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I rotated it a little bit so you can see. Yeah, so now we got that done. It was a good day, got a lot done. Block looks good, looks more presentable to me. So yeah, now it's just waiting for parts to get in. And so stick around for the next video, you guys. Again, if you're new, thank you for subscribing. And don't forget to hit that like and share with your friends to help grow the channel. And I'll catch you guys later when we upload something tomorrow. I'm not too sure. We might be working on the engine, or we might just go work on the Supra. But I'll figure it out tomorrow. So catch you guys later. Take care. Be safe. Enjoy yourself.